It's the 137th session of the Canton Fair, and it's set to launch April 15th. This year, we're going to have some smart technology and hardware. Let's see what's going to be at the Canton Fair this year.
Hello! Welcome to the Pazhou Ferry Terminal, the primary national gateway of the Canton Fair.
Thank you. I'm looking to go to the Canton Fair. What do I need to do first?
First, you need to write a arrival card. Then, you can go through the immigration inspection at the Canton Fair special channel with the relevant documents. And we have the only information registration point for the e-channel in the downtown Guangzhou at Pazhou Ferry Terminal.
I can't wait for the Canton Fair.
Wait a moment, have you got your documents?
No, not yet.
There are also renewed certificate processing points set up at our Pazhou Ferry Terminal. New overseas buyers can get their badge here.
That's very convenient.
The Pazhou Ferry Terminal opened on April 14, 2023. So far, it has inspected 310,000 inbound and outbound passengers. When you finish your Canton Fair journey, departing from Pazhou is also convenient. After passengers complete the check-in and immigration inspection, they can board the ship and reach Hong Kong airport within 2 hours. Currently, 23 airlines provide the check-in services at the port.
Wow, that's really convenient.
Yeah. In addition to the existing Hong Kong International Airport route, a new route to downtown Hong Kong will be launched. After completing the immigration inspection and the certificate processing, it only takes 5 minutes to the venue of the Canton Fair.
Wow, that's very convenient.
Yeah.
It's just behind me.
Yeah. Once you arrive in Guangzhou, you definitely should visit the Canton Tower and savor the dim sum. From the Pazhou Ferry Terminal, you can directly take a train or metro to the Canton Tower and the downtown area of Guangzhou.
Wow, that's incredibly convenient. Thank you so much for introducing this to me.
You're welcome.
It's been so pleasant. I'm so excited to check out the Canton Fair and see what Guangzhou has to offer.
Have a nice trip.
Thank you.